Hey guys, welcome back to my channel from my kitchen out here.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
So all my things are here and Roja has left, so it's me only who needs to do it.
And me.
Yes.
Don't forget about me. I'm a human being.
Okay, then keep this out there. Go, keep it out there.
I'm also an entity.
And give me all the Dettol for hand wash, Harpic, Lysol, and this is black pepper,
We do not care.
garam masala, meat masala,
इनको गरम मसाला खाना है.
milk. This is a ghee.
Yeah, ghee.
Chicken masala.
This is milk.
And this is ginger garlic. Some chilies.
I want to take some milk.
And here is tea leaves. And some syrups.
Where the hell do you keep my pots?
So shampoo. And one So guys, the first thing that we are doing in this induction is like boiling this milk.
Pig milk.
Like we are boiling the milk now, and we'll be making some, what do you call this, halwa.
Hello, mate.
So till the time the milk gets boiled out here, let us be frying the suji.
Suji. First of all, I will drink some milk already. I think it is. Guys, look, I can teleport. Want to see it? Ooh. Wee. See, I was in the kitchen over there, and now I'm here. Okay, time to go back. Hi. Oh, I just teleported. Okay. Oh, I'm back. Look at the milk. Why is it moving? The pot is moving. My hand is here. Popo, it's moving.
It's boiling, that's all.
Okay, bye bye. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. आज हम सीख रहे हैं कैसे हलवा बनाएं. Imagine Fufu becoming a food blogger. She will be fat like me because she calls me fat,
I don't call you fat.
and everyone does.
And my halwa is like brown, so we'll be putting some sugar now.
Fufu, I think that's enough.
Give me the thing.
कौन सा drink? ये लो. Fufu, should I stop it? Look at that.
Sugar on it.
Now look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
One moment. So after the sugar, we are going to put some ghee on it. You can have it in my
I wish I brought some biscuits. Biscuit too. Biscuit.
You should have told me.
Learn the difference. Park, park. The most people in Delhi call it park, park. But it's actually park. What are you doing? You
So some
monster.
ghee.
So some ghee. Who poured it?
Oh my god.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, I will fix it.
Wait,
I will
wait,
fix
wait,
it.
wait. You get some water for me.
Namaskaram. Father!
Huh?
Father!
Oh.
Father, how can I go?
Paano nito ba yun? So we'll put some water first. Oh my god. How does it look?
That looks like mud.
Yeah, but it's not a mud.
Imagine eating mud. Mud from a matka.
I guess I should have kept it somewhere out here. Like, it would be something like this.
Yeah, it will fall. And your phone will break. Yeah, don't try it. This woman has made me her cameraman because I wanted to become Priyanka ji. Pass mommy.
Video call. Halwa is ready out here, and finally all my stuffs are like, what to say, it's like now
Complete.
full. And yes, and here's some milk and everything's out here, and especially my first food, that is halwa, is ready.
I thought it would be chicken.
Yes, after this it's going to be chicken only. So yeah, so we'll eat halwa first, then we'll start cooking chicken and rice as a dinner.
I'm the lighting guy. Call me the lighting guy and the cameraman.
Yes. So my dinner is ready. Here is the chicken and here is some rice for us.
24 hours later.
Yes, because I could not vlog because he was playing with my phone and he was not giving it to me, and my phone was off because of him. Yes.